How to change age in Epic Games. So first, what you want to do is just open up Epic Games on your browser, and I suggest that you log out to any accounts first. Once that's done, just go to the sign in option there again, and just simply sign into your account. So I'm just going to put my details right here. So once I'm here, just click on enter or sign in. Wait for it to load. So sometimes when you haven't logged in Epic Games for a long time, this will pop up right here where you could enter your date of birth. So that's a way where you could change your date of birth if this popped up for you. Another way is just by disabling age restrictions. So to do that, just simply click on your profile right here, then click on account right there, and wait for it to load. Once you're on your account page, you simply go to parental controls and just enter the PIN. And once you've entered the PIN, just simply scroll down to the bottom where you could see, as you can see, you could change the game's restrictions right there. So mine is set to unrated, where basically you could play any game that you want. So you could set it to any you want right here. But if your parental controls is turned on, you might need the PIN. You could ask the PIN to your parent or guardian or anyone who set up your account. The last thing that you can do is just simply go to Epic Games again, the Epic Games browser, then click on support right here at the top left. Once you're here, just scroll down till you see accounts right here. Click on that, scroll down again, and click on contact us. And now you will need to contact Epic Games right here where you could input the info. Let's say I'm using PC and I have a problem with my account, so just find the accounts right there. So contact reason, your Epic account, so account right here. And now you can describe your problem. Let's say I want to change my age since I've entered the wrong age and it is now restricting me to do or play some games in Epic or something like that. So it's up to you what you want to describe. You could also add a file or picture so that it could support your argument or claim right here. So basically change your age in Epic Games.